Bollywood releases the highest number of movies per year among all the entertainment industries across the world. In this video we'll see 5 best online sites for Bollywood movies. Site number 5, hotstar.com. Hotstar is a boon for all movie enthusiasts, for who would like to watch Bollywood movies online for free. And the best part is that you don't even need to sign up to watch the movies, and is completely legal. Is better, use Indian VPN for have full access to the website. Why Hotstar is from the best? Because largest collection of online Hindi movies for free, good video quality and streaming speed, iOS and Android apps available. Site number 4, voot.com. Voot is undoubtedly one of the best free Hindi movie streaming site that not only offer Hindi movies but can add Telugu, Bengali and English as well. In Voot, you need to make inscription for get full access to web content, and it's for free. Why Voot is from the best? Because huge collection of movies, supports multiple devices, completely free, and also you can watch movies in Android and iOS applications. Site number 3, sonyliv.com. Sonyliv is a Sony-owned video streaming service that contains the content of the library of more than a dozen TV channels in India. Inscription required to see full content. Is better to use Indian VPN. Why Sonyliv is from the best? Simple interface. Added benefit of sports if you choose premium. Site number 2, z5.com. If you are looking for a website for watching Hindi movies without sign up, Z5 is one of the best. It has a large collection of movies, where many of them are completely free. You just have to look for thumbnails without the premium label. You can access all the free Hindi movies from this page. Why Z5 from the best? Because clean interface and well cataloged. Offers both old and new Bollywood movies. No sign-up request. Site number 1, YouTube channels. There are many channels on YouTube that let you stream Hindi movies online for free. A majority of them are doing it illegally. Rajri Production Films is a well-known name in Bollywood that brought super hit. The channel mostly offers the old Hindi films made by Rajri. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.